Hello everyone, if you want to see how I got these small box braids, how I parted, how I braided, how I fed in the hair, then stay tuned. I have you covered right here. So let's just get started. So this is her hair, 4C hair. Before starting, I'm just giving you a visual, and then you just want to section her hair off in 3 sections, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And then you just want to individually part off some sections. I did 7 sections on each side. I started with the back of her hair, and I'm just using some shining gel for my parting. And then so I just started braiding the back of her hair, sectioning off in small sections and feed in hair. I will show you in detail how to feed in hair. Just stay watching. So I did 5 rows in the back of her head, and then those 7 rows that I started in the front of her head, I'm just connecting the rows so I can start knotless box braiding her hair. So the first thing you want to do is just section off the hair. Make sure you have some shine and jam at the root of her hair and at the beginning of her hair, and then you just want to start box braiding about 3 or 4 times, and then you just want to start feeding in strands of hair. I'm going to show you that process a few more times so you can get the concept. So first you just want to make sure that you just start off braiding her natural hair, and then just start feeding in strands of hair like I'm doing right here. Now you just want to continue the process throughout her head, and then once I get to the top, I'll show you what I do next. But yeah, just continue to just do your knotless box braid and feed in hair as you go. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave in the comments if you like the knotless box braids or do you like the traditional box braids better. I like them both. I think the knotless is less stress on your hair, and the traditional box braid, I think it's a little more stress, but it's still a great protective style depending on how tight somebody is braiding. But yeah, continue to watch. So we made it to the top of her head, and I'm just gonna feed in some brown hair. She wanted two brown braids in the front of her head. So I'm gonna put a brown braid on each side of her head. So that is what I'm doing right now, and I'm just gonna continue to do the knotless box braids. So this is the final look, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great, blessed day.